Okay, ArredoCAD automatically creates all the technical prints of my project. The prints are available from here. I can choose the prints that I want to visualize or save. For example, the plan, the front view. I want also to see the dimensions, and I can choose my render from here. So browse. Here is the render that we have saved in the previous step, and press OK. OK again. From here I can choose the orientation of my prints, horizontal. So this is the render. This is the plan with all the dimensions of the elements automatically inserted by ArredoCAD. And I have a print for each elevation view. I also have the layout of the top with the holes for the cooking hob and the sink, and the layout of the plinths, and also a print dedicated to the elements that I have changed. When I change the dimension of one element, I also have a print for that. I can export these prints in PDF, JPEG, and so on. Let's choose a folder, destination folder. We can call it a new folder, prints. Let's give a name to the prints and press Save. Export. Okay, now I press Close, Exit, and if I open the folder Prints that is here, I can have all the JPG of my prints. Okay, let's go back in ArredoCAD. ArredoCAD automatically creates also the list of all the elements, the furnitures that I have used for my project. So I click on Calculation of Elements. I have to update the list. Okay. And here I have the description of all the articles, the quantities. I can also add the price manually. And so on. I could also insert the codes of the products, and here is a preview of the quotation for my client with the description of the articles, the amount, and the total amount here. Okay, let's save this list. Very important, you have to save your project. So to save the project, you have to click here, Save Project. And if I close ArredoCAD or I create another project and I want to open again this one, I click on File, New Open Project. In this way I can enter in the archive of my projects, okay, and I can open again my project. I have to select the project and press OK. OK again. Okay, that's all. Bye.